Reading comprehension. Healthy breakfast. There are many healthy choices for breakfast nowadays. Fruits, cereals, and eggs make a great breakfast. Eggs have a lot of protein. They help your body grow. Protein is also important for making your muscles and bones strong. It helps to stop hunger and makes you feel more satisfied when you eat. Some people prefer fresh fruits for breakfast. They are a good source of vitamins and minerals. For example, strawberries and yogurt make a tasty and healthy breakfast. You can blend them to make a fruit smoothie. It is best to avoid high-fat breakfast foods such as cakes or pastries. It is smart to choose a breakfast that has whole grains, fruits, and protein. Comprehension questions. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. What is the first sentence about? A. The text is about health class. B. The text is about diets. C. The text is about eating healthy breakfast. D. The text is about skipping breakfast. Question 2. Why is it best to include fresh fruits for breakfast? A. They are a good source of vitamins and minerals. B. They are unhealthy. C. They do not really satisfy your hunger. D. They are much more expensive than healthy food. Question 3. Which word has the same vowel sound as fear? A. Red. B. Wet. C. Here. D. New. Question 4. Which means the opposite of fresh? A. Sweet. B. Tasty. C. Healthy. D. Stale. Question 5. What does it mean with the word hunger? A. It takes a long time to eat. B. It tastes delicious. C. It makes you feel hungrier. D. It stops your hunger. Let's check your answers. Question 1. The answer is C. The text is about eating healthy breakfast. Question 2. The answer is A. They are a good source of vitamins and minerals. Question 3. The answer is C. Here. Question 4. The answer is D. Stale. And question 5. The answer is C. It makes you feel hungrier. Well done!